All right, guys, Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we've got Tyler from Carli. Thanks for coming out, buddy. Today we're going to be diving into all things Carli and talking about the different stages of their kits that you can build over time, or you can buy it all at once. So Tyler, tell us where you would start when building out your truck.
Absolutely. So when it comes to Carli, we are as inclusive as possible. We want to make sure that any base kit that you are going to buy is going to include all the components that you need to make sure you have proper geometry, proper drivability, and the best ride quality you can get for what you're looking for.
So if you have somebody that's looking for more of a highway ride quality, but they still want to get that Carli quality, what would you recommend?
Absolutely. So that's going to start with our commuter system. Our commuter system is going to be across all platforms, and what it's going to do is make sure that you have the most controlled and composed ride for the highway. That starts with lower spring rates and shock tuning that's going to control that spring rate as well as possible, because the spring is actually softening your ride, whereas the shock is ensuring it is controlled.
So if you have somebody that's looking of more of an off-road application, or even in between highway and off-road, what would you recommend?
Absolutely. So we go into our Backcountry System, which is going to be kind of that cross between highway and off-road. A little bit more emphasis on that highway ride quality, but when you get off the trail, you're getting to your camping or your hunting spot, you want to make sure that if you do come up on a dip or a ravine or anything like that, you're not bottoming the truck out. So we increase the dampening for that off-road use while still trying to make sure it's really nice and controlled on the highway.
So if you have somebody that is looking for a kit that is still good on the highway, but they're looking for more off-road capability, what would you suggest?
Absolutely. So that's when our pin top system comes in. Pin top system is going to be King 2.5-inch diameter shocks with a reservoir. On the highway, you're going to get more of a sports car-like feel. It's going to be great through high-speed cornering, and then when you do get the truck off-road and stretch its legs a little bit, that larger shock diameter and the increased dampening we have in the shock is going to make sure that it keeps you off the bumps if you want to go 40, 45, 50 miles an hour. It's going to be very composed over those situations rather than the backcountry, which is going to be more susceptible to hitting bottom.
Awesome. If you have somebody that is looking for the ultimate off-road experience, what kit would you suggest for that?
Absolutely. So we have the Dominator. The Dominator is going to be a 3-inch diameter shock as opposed to the 2.5 with a pin top. It's also got a reservoir, but frankly, a 3-inch diameter shock is the perfect setup for these heavy trucks. What it does is it allows you to have that comfortable highway ride with also the increased capability off-road. So the larger shock diameter gets more oil, it stays cooler for a longer period of time, and when you're going down those roads that are just washboard and constantly chattering, those shocks are going to make sure that they're not overheating over time and maintaining their performance for a long period of time.
Awesome. So we covered all of the basics. We've covered highway, we've covered in between, we've covered off-road. What is the pinnacle of suspension kits?
So as of now, we have our SDI E-Venture system. What it means is we've got an electronic dampening system that is integrated into the truck itself, into the computer. So it's measuring your throttle input, your braking input, your steering input. And there's also what's called an IMU that sits on top of the motor itself at the most center point of the truck. Anytime the truck rolls over or pitches in any way, it's going to send extra dampening to those tires or those corners. So you're getting on a highway on-ramp, you're making a hard left turn, that outside shock is actually going to remain more composed and controlled to ensure the truck stays level, suspension stays planted to the ground, and then if you're hitting the brakes hard, it's sending extra dampening to the front. Yeah, so it's a very dynamic and controlled system that's going to constantly react to the terrain or the driving that you're doing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate you taking the time to explain the difference in kits and being just a great source of knowledge for the people that are looking for a kit for their truck. So thank you again, Tyler, for coming out.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate Carli coming out. And if you guys have any other questions, hit that link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com.